Hey Josh, you're doing it wrong. Just kidding. Oh, he's getting the corners! Excellent! He's always good at tamping down the corners. Get the corners! It must be stopped. All the corner tucking must be stopped. I should really be helping you, shouldn't I? Sorry about that. Hey, I think, yeah, you have the long end and the short end all mixed up.
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually turned around.
Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. Wait, is he going to be able to escape from that?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, no, but I doesn't want him to suffocate. Oh, hack it. Cute. Yeah.
So this is the short end.
So you can figure it out from the seams. Yeah, that's a short end. Does he go to attack things? The game continues? Yes! The game continues. Stop the corners. Uh-oh. Oof. No escapes. Uh-oh, he's totally coming at that corner from the inside. Your hand is gonna die. Wait, don't tuck him in there.
You get the corner down.
You know, maybe I should take him away from you.
It's more fun this way.
It's a game. Who shall win? The kitty or the person? Okay, I gotta turn this off. I gotta turn this off before it gets bloody with your flesh. Hey kitty, no bites. He totally does not listen. Oh, woo, rock the kitty.